Now, I love the ramp as much as the next guy, but apparently this crew likes it a little more because they just can't seem to get off or they don't want to leave, one of the two. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and today we're at Bayfront Park. And our crew is just stuck. So we got a couple people in the back of the truck, but they just are not getting any kind of grip whatsoever. I mean, they're literally right on the edge here. If he could just get a few more inches even, I think he'd be all right. Security's walking up, trying to coach him up probably a little bit. And is he going to try from right here? He's going to have to back down, right? Yeah. You could probably take a little pressure off the trailer, backing us a little deeper, letting it float so we can get a little better running start. Or the secondary option, you've got to go really slow. Try not to let those tires break free. Could let a little air out of the tires. Or we could try and solicit another 4 or 5 people to hopefully help us get this off. No way, bro. You didn't go anywhere near far enough back down the ramp to get the assist you need. This is where some people can get confused. Right now, our guy's afraid to go further down the ramp because he thinks it's going to be a bad thing. But in this situation, it might help him get the running momentum he needs. So here we go. Coming back down. Keep going, bro. Still don't think it's enough. I would get the boat barely floating, just enough where you really could get moving. And once again, he's just going to get to the top. They're going to be stuck again. They're going to need a little more assist than what they're getting right now, I think, to get out of here. Okay, I like this plan. We're getting it deep enough. So we relieved a little bit of pressure. Now you get on it. And almost there. Oh, he really goosed it at the end, too, to hopefully try and push him over the edge, but it still just did not go. All right, boys, new plan. What's it going to be? You're going to have to figure something else out here. So they look like they're kind of inspecting the trailer to make sure everything's all right. And they could try winching this a little further forward onto the trailer and see if that adds enough weight onto the tongue. As that's typically the cause of this, is that the boat's a little far back on the trailer, which means when it hits the pinnacle up top here, the weight of the boat's pulling back on the tongue, which is lifting the tires just enough where there's not enough pressure on them to go. So we got Yellow Shark getting into the boat. I'm assuming, I guess we're going to try a power out. I mean, they're dropping the motors. We fast forwarded a little bit. Our guys are still stuck up there. They did not try the power out. It was a very strange situation. They came in, dropped the motors, turned the engines on, and then all of a sudden decided to turn them off. And so we're still stuck over there, but they did not attempt it. But here we go. We got a Hydro Sports coming in. Going to try and sneak in beside these guys. And let's see how they fare. So Cat backs off a little early before the bow touches the dock. He is going against the wind and current. It is going left to right across our screen. Now, normally I would say go ahead and get on that starboard side dock, but with the boat that we have over there and the issues these guys are having, they're at about minute 20 of being stuck on the ramp. I don't think I'd want to be over there. So here we go. Hydro Sports approach number 2. We've got our girl in the bow ready with the lines and on the stern. So, I mean, we're ready to roll. Cap's just got to get it in. And it looks like he's going to pull out on attempt number 2 as well. Just didn't like something about it. Looks like the guy in the truck's kind of trying to talk to him. And are we switching sides? It looks like we're trying to switch sides on the lines. Gotta look out. Don't hit the pole. And our girl's going to get off and push him off. And she's going to get back on. I mean, we're on the dock. No, they decide they don't like it, and we're going to try all this again. Oh, and we're almost backing up into another boat. We're starting to get a little bit log jammed over here. And is the little boat going to try and sneak in on the inside of him? No, he's going to turn hard and come back around. The girls are switching sides again, so I guess we're going to come back to port side dock. I'm still confused on this one. I mean, we had one of the ladies on the dock. We got the push off. Just needed to toss a line out, and she could have pulled the whole boat over, but we've decided to mess with this some more, and it looks like we're going to miss again. The struggle is real down here today as Cap is just not finding his groove. So I'm guessing he's going to completely reset. I'm really not sure what Cap's doing here now. It looks like he's trying to determine if he can approach another dock. But this is it. What we've got down here is what's open, bro. So we're keeping the ladies on the port side. I guess we're going to back all the way up and try and do a heavy bow and approach on it. And our guys are still stuck on the ramp up here. So it looks like we're jumping on it, but they're just not getting anywhere. I can't tell if they're actually moving yet. It looks like not. Looks like our guys is holding on. Looks like somebody's about to get in here. And we're going to give her one good attempt. Got the jump action. It looks like we got a few more people in the back of the truck this time as well. Will it be enough? Kind of waiting for the lane to clear so they can get a good running shot at it. And spin tires immediately. The truck straightens out. At the pinnacle. And they've gotten over the hump. I'm guessing around minute 24 of being stuck on the ramp based on the timings that I'm looking at. Now, our guys have brought it home on the ramp. Can our Hydro Sports bring it home as well? Cap's got a decent approach angle this time. Looking to get her done. And Cap's even going to leave the helm. He's fully committed at this point, and he's just going to go off on his own. And he'll bring this one in and bring it home by himself. But looks like they're good to go, and they're going to get out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.